welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we have some super fast news which we are going to go ahead and tell. So let's start. The first news is Pubg is not coming to India. Ministry makes it official through an RTI reply. So at the moment the Pubg gamers, it's not a good news, but let's see what future holds for you. The second news is Amazon's new technology has developed a new body double vision, that is virtual body double, where in case like you're going for shopping or anything on Amazon online, you can go ahead and use the virtual body double for shopping for clothes and other accessories. Third news is Realme 8 and 8 Pro are launching in January 2021. So all you Realme users, go ahead and take advantage of its launch. And the fourth and final news for today is Google Photos. What about Google Photos? Google Photos is using machine learning technology to go ahead and make all your photos into 3D photos. So let's see how good they are doing on that. Thank you for watching the video. If you do like the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Until next time, have a wonderful day.